Hi, my name's Peter. I've worked with electric classic cars for 4 years now. I've been with the company almost from the beginning. There was only one car built before I joined the team. It was myself and Richard at first. With electric classic cars, we focus on cars that are normally classic cars, tax exempt, with not too much trickery on the electric side of the vehicles. We source our parts from various companies in the world. The majority come from America. There's various companies out there that break old Model S's or sideswipe accident vehicles, and the components are good, so we get them from specialist breakers. The biggest or hardest project to date, I'm sure, would probably be the BMW E9 CSI we've already converted. It was a full restoration, down to nuts and bolts, bare shell. I would say that's the hardest one we've done so far. You get a lot more speed out of a vehicle, low maintenance or no maintenance to speak of. So as regards the cargo space, this is actually a crew cab bus. It will still take 10 people in it. The drivetrain in this electric conversion is a Phoenix Hyper 9 motor. It's married up with 14 Tesla Roadster batteries, which equates to 41 kilowatt hours battery pack, about 150 to 160 miles. This particular bus, I would say, probably took about 3.5–4 months to convert itself, but we've had a spray job, paint job done out of house and things like that. So we've had the vehicle just over 6 months. The top speed, I haven't got it up to its top speed as yet, but it will do 100 miles an hour. Yeah, which is considerably faster than it used to be. Is electric cars the future? I think quite probably, to be honest. I mean, we've got a lot of hybrids about nowadays, and there's many other big companies that are making full-on electric cars. So I think yes, most definitely. I think building electric cars out of old classic cars helps save the environment in a certain degree. It's certainly got to be more eco-friendly than having a brand new modern vehicle built. You're taking an old classic car and recycling it into a 21st century modern interpretation of the vehicle. People choose to do a classic car because they've got more character and personality, and as people know, people name their cars. They've got more soul and personality than a new modern car. So I think that's quite probably why people go for the classic car route for electric conversion.